Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friend and student. Welcome to the second lecture of FSC Part 1 Biology. Student, today I am going to discuss with you the two important biological processes, condensation and hydrolysis. So let's proceed the class. So the first one is condensation. Condensation is also called dehydration. Also called dehydration. D mean remove and hydrates mean water. D mean remove or removal and hydration mean water. So this is the meaning of dehydration. Now moving toward the definition of condensation or dehydration, that how we can define condensation or dehydration. So the next one is definition of condensation or dehydration, that how we can define condensation or dehydration. So the process in which small molecules are combined together, to form a large molecule by the removal of a water molecule. So this process is called condensation or dehydration. The process in which small molecules combine together to form a large molecule by the removal of water molecule, is called condensation or dehydration. The process in which small molecule combine together. Consider this is one small molecule and this is other small molecule. So when these small molecule are combined together and remove a water molecule, so this process is called condensation. The process in which small molecule are combined together to form a large molecule by the removal of water molecule, so this process is called condensation or dehydration. Why this process is called dehydration? Because in this process water molecule are removed, so thus this process is called dehydration. Example of condensation or dehydration is the formation of starch molecule. In the formation of starch molecule, small molecule are monomers. Small molecule like glucose combine together to form a large molecule starch by the removal of water molecule, of water molecule. So this process is called condensation, in which small molecule like glucose plus glucose and so on to form a large molecule starch. So this is the example of condensation or dehydration. And condensation or dehydration, one hydroxyl group is removed from one molecule of glucose and the hydrogen atom are removed from the second molecule, or the second monomers are from the second small molecule. So when the hydroxyl group is removed from the one molecule of glucose and hydrogen atom is removed from the other atom or the other small molecule, so this process is called condensation or dehydration. Now moving toward the second process, which is hydrolysis. The second one is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is the combination of two words. The first one is a hydro mean water, and the second one is lysis. Lysis mean splitting or breaking down or broken down. So this is the meaning of hydrolysis. That's what's mean by hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is the combination of two words. The first one is hydro mean water, and lysis means splitting or breaking down. Now moving toward the definition of hydrolysis, that how we can define hydrolysis. Definition of hydrolysis. So the process in which large molecule broken down into small molecule in the presence of water molecule, So this process is called hydrolysis, in which large molecule are broken down into small molecule in the presence of water. So this process is called hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? The process in which large molecule are broken down into small molecule in the presence of water. So this process is called hydrolysis. Now moving toward the example or the explanation of hydrolysis, that how we can explain hydrolysis. Example: if we can take the example of sucrose, a large molecule like sucrose is broken down into small molecule like glucose plus fructose in the presence of water. So this process is called hydrolysis, in which large molecule are broken down into small molecule in the presence of water. So such a type of reaction is called hydrolysis, in which large molecule are broken down into small molecule in the presence of water. Example as sucrose, it is a large molecule broken down into small molecule in the presence of water, small molecule like glucose plus fructose. So this is the example of hydrolysis, that how we can explain hydrolysis. So hydrolysis is a process in which large molecule are broken down into small molecule in the presence of water. So this process is called hydrolysis. The two most important ETA MCQs which is related to today's topic is ETA MCQs related to today's topic. ETA MCQs. Two most important ETA MCQs are related to today's topic. The first one is sucrose is consist of. This ETA MCQs are coming in the 2015 ETA. So the sucrose is consist of, the first option is glucose plus glucose. The second option is glucose plus fructose. The third option is glucose plus galactose, and the fourth option is none of these. So the correct option is option B, or the option number 2. Sucrose is consist of glucose and fructose. And the second MCQ is related to today's topic is starch is formed by the process of starch is formed by a process called, the first option is hydrolysis. The second one is condensation. The third one is dehydration, and the fourth one is B. The fourth one is both B and C. So the correct option is option D, because starch is formed by a process called condensation or dehydration. So option D is the correct one. Option B is the correct one. So this is today's topic about condensation and hydrolysis. I hope you will understand. If you have any question regarding condensation or hydrolysis or any ETA MCQs, you can ask me in the comment section. So thank you once again for giving us your precise and useful time. Thank you so much.